What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Scooter, and right now we're headed to get us a drink and a little breakfast, and then we're going to meet Cameron after. Me and Cameron's going to be leaving here in a little bit to go to Conroe, Texas for Lone Star Throwdown this weekend. We're excited. It's only like a little bit over a 4-hour drive, so it's not a bad trip. We're going to try to get a bunch of footage for you guys because this is supposed to be a huge turnout this year. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, and comment because it helps me as a smaller channel, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so we just got out of the store. Got a sausage, egg, and cheese croissant and a Dr. Pepper Zero because I'm a big boy. But we're pulling up the cameras now. Let's go ahead and wake him up. Oh yeah, he's mad. Guys, we just made it home from Lone Star Throwdown, and let me tell you, that show is amazing. I'm talking quality and quantity. That place was packed with very, very quality rides. Y'all just put it on your list for next year, because that show is amazing. We had a blast the whole weekend. We ended up making new friends, meeting new people. We just had fun. Guys, thank y'all for the support. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, because it helps me as a small channel. And y'all be sure to hug somebody and tell them you love them. Peace.